Yo, the food looks good. It looks good. That's it right there. When you're getting an oxtail, rice and peas right there. Look at that oxtail. Uh-oh. Right off the bone. Y'all better get y'all shoes. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're here in Queens on Jamaica Avenue, and I'm about to go into this spot called Kassim's Bakery. It's a Guyanese Caribbean spot, and it was suggested by one of our subscribers, Fresh supposed to meet us here. I don't know where he at, but we can't hold on, man. We got to keep it moving. Go in here and check it out. Let's go check it out. Yo, the food looks good. It looks good. Let's see if it passed the test. They got fish there. Come on, slide over a little bit. I'm trying to shoot video. Got music in here, but that's not good. I can't. Thank you. Word is born, y'all. This is it right here. We at this spot right here. That food looks delicious, man. And I got some okra too, because y'all know I love okra. Let's check it out. Yo, we here at Kassim's Bakery and Restaurant here in Queens on Jamaica Avenue. And we're here in suggestion of one of our subscribers, Fresh, thank you. You're supposed to be here. I don't know what happened. That's why I was always having problems meeting people, because I'm an on-time joker, yo. Anyway, Fresh may walk in the door any moment. Don't y'all tell him I was talking about him, okay? Anyway, look at this right here, y'all. Ooh, am I dripping? I don't want that juice to drip out. That's usually what happens. Let's go into it, man. I got the okra, I got the oxtails, I got some plantain, and I got rice and peas. First of all, the oxtails seem real tender. Ooh. That joker was hot, y'all. That joker was hot. They getting hot sauce like they know what hot sauce is all about. Look at this. Look at that oxtail. Uh-oh. Right off the bone. I taste them flavors, man. What's that spice?
It's cinnamon.
That is cinnamon?
Cinnamon.
Man, these are delicious. Thank you.
Ginger.
And ginger. Oh, he said cinnamon and ginger. My YouTube, Matt DV. M-A-T-T DV. Yep. Thank you. Yo, that oxtail was delicious. I hear my son over here. He keeps going, And if you hear like a female voice behind him, that's Jazz back there, y'all.
Put it in?
Yeah, put it in if you want, man. Hold on. Yeah. What'd you get?
I got carved beef and
chicken? You got the beef?
Beef stew.
Oh, you got the beef stew.
Yeah.
Man, he know that's lamb in there. Goat. Let's check out the okra, y'all. Some of y'all don't eat okra. I got the shakes. Ooh, it's firm too. It's not too slimy. Oh, this is even good. It looks like some peppers in here, onions. Some of y'all don't like okra. This okra's really good. We going in. Y'all know I gotta hold my plate up so y'all can see it. I wanna get, morning. I wanna get some of that rice and gravy from under there. Right there. See that right there?
That's the first one I've ever seen this.
It's the spices that's in here that are so delicious. It's not bland at all, man. This rice and peas is delicious with that gravy on it. I'm gonna give me something to drink in a minute too. Look, y'all. See them fatty pieces too on there? And the meaty pieces underneath? I don't know why I got the shakes lately. You see how they come off of there? You got the oxtails. You got the oxtails too. What you pulling off? Eat that food. Oh,
It's got a lot of
I thought she was picking off. Eat that fat. Y'all heard him again. He went, You drank your whole juice? What was that? I need a juice,
I
y'all.
bought my beverages down.
I think I'm gonna get a,
I'm a beverage type of
Ting. Jamaican drink.
Okay. Grapefruit.
Look what I got there. I got my Ting. What Ting? Just Ting. And it's ice cold. I love when the drinks are ice cold. Only thing I didn't try is the plantain. Let's pull up some plantain here. That's really hot on the bottom, y'all. I'm trying to show y'all. We're gonna try some of the hot sauce soon. What is that? Oh, that's sweet potatoes. No?
He said it's pumpkin.
Oh,
Try it.
pumpkin? Hezekiah has some pumpkin on his plate. Let's check it out.
Different.
Hey, look, tastes a little like sweet potatoes, but more seasoned like turnips. It reminds me of rutabaga turnips. That's
Not
pumpkin.
horrible.
And then, I was gonna mix some of that. Plantain is perfect. Got that sweet plantain mixed with the rice and peas and that gravy. Y'all definitely want to come to Kassim's Bakery and Restaurant. It's a Caribbean spot right here. We'll put the address up right here. Feet pieces, fresh. We call them fresh. Has done it again. This is like the third spot we hit in Queens at his suggestion. Look at it. Look at that. It don't take much effort to get that meat off the bone. People have been coming in and out of here. You got that rice right there. And you got the platano. You got that pumpkin right there. You got the plantain. You think you don't want to eat lamb?
I think you eat lamb.
It's good.
Tell me about your food. What's going on?
Oh, it's good.
Why you covering your mouth? Sorry, let me stop.
Because we eat it.
I'm just messing with you.
It's pretty good.
Got those oxtails right there, y'all. They're meaty. She was taking the fat off hers, but I like a little fat on my oxtail right there. And you got the potatoes in there. And I like that rice and peas right there. And it's got a little bit of green beans in there. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people. I love you, cats. Thanks for always tuning in. It's great. I'm gonna sit here with my family and eat the rest of my food, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.
You good? It was delicious.
You don't like oxtails?
Not enough meat.
Not enough meat? That'd be the good stuff, like crabs. You gotta dig in there and get it.
And like neck bones, we don't like stuff like that. We got
Hold
the
up.
eggs
Let
and
me
meat.
let y'all see me biting here. There we go. I do taste that hint of cinnamon. Y'all hear my son keep saying,
It's a good oxtail right here. Perfect.
That's nice, right?
Yeah, perfect size.
So y'all, it's better late than never. He came a little late.
I'm sorry. Did he really hook y'all up respectfully?
He hooked us up. What's going on?
Mr. Fee Pizza NYC. My apology for being late. Listen, we're here at Casim, my spot, Matt DB. Listen, my fault, bro. My fault. You know, never late, never sorry, but I apologize. All right? Listen. Keep the spot, though. Casim, baby, you know where you go. This is my town.
Excuse me. It's cooler in there. All right, he sent us here, y'all. We got some more B-roll now with Fresh. He sent us here. These are his people right here. Fresh is Guyanese.